I have this W212 E550. It's a 4MATIC and it's an Airmatic up on the lift trying to diagnose some front suspension noises. You know, when you go over rough ground, you can hear that clunk, 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 clunk. It's not just movement, but it's actually a noise that sounds like this. Go a full 6 feet and then hit. Whoa! Do that again. Back up again. Back up again and hit. Okay, now go forward and hit. Wow. So from that, you can see I was kind of forcing it, but that's what we're dealing with. It's a clunking sound. So that means something's loose. Now, initially, I said, okay, it's got to be the thrust arm bushing. That's one of the most common things that wears out. And this bushing was a little bit, spongy. And I thought, oh, yeah, maybe that's a problem. But when I took it out and started looking it over, sure, it could cause some front end movement. But what about that snapping, clunking noise? So I got everything out. All the ball joints are good. All the bushings are good. And, I kind of need some help here. What do you think is causing the clunking noise in this 4MATIC, Airmatic E550? Put your comments below. We'll figure this out together.